All right. So today, since they have removed fuel subsidy and fuel is now 600, 700. That's if you even see it. So I don't have fuel to go and do video outside. So I say, let me and my wife, Ajia Amina, we are going to do a flip bottle challenge in the house. Yes, it's called a flip bottle challenge, me and my wife. So we have dollars. It's $900 for if whoever gets it will pick $100. So I don't know this woman can do it. I'm suspecting her, but then let's try and see. So stay tuned and watch. Thank you. Who is going first? Are you going first or me? Okay. Ah, you have gotten one now. Now you have got. Let me see your hand. If you are doing something. Oh, if you are get to keep your dollar, let's be seeing it. Don't hide the dollar. I would have said you are using something, but then. Ah, ah. Come, are you sure we will not change? This water is not small. Ah, are you people seeing that this woman? I don't understand her hand though. 200. Now you have 200. Okay. Ah, 3 now. Okay. If you get 4, I know that you are using something. Brother Allah.
Oh.
Yawa. All my fans. Play now. I'm going to pour. Allah, Allah, Allah. Kai. So we are done with dollar. Now that we are done with dollar, let's start with naira. But then we have $1, we have Turkey money, 20 Turkey money, then we have 200. Let's go. You this woman, you are using something to play this game. I don't trust you. You see, I don't trust you one bit in life. You are doing us like the way Buhari did to us in this country. See now, you are taking us the foreign currency, taking naira now again. Thing that Buhari did to us is what you are doing. See, you see, that is why I am saying that we need to involve women in this country. Women have a good hand. They have good hand. So you don't remove women from anything appears of the country. You have to involve the women because they have good hand. See now, look at my wife. See her good hand. You see? You see? So she has good. You see, she has a very good. You see, women. You see? So, I don't trust you. Wallah, I don't trust you. Wallah, I don't trust you.
Yay.
I don't trust you, wallahi. If you get it again, I will not be happy. Ah, ah. I'm telling you. Come on, go and sit down. Dalla, leave the game.